Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing awesome today because you know what? We're going to have a fun day today. You know why? We're going to mess around with colored contacts from Ttdeye. Yes, we are. But before we begin to review the Ttdeye, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and make sure you click on the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. This is a brand colored contact. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Ttdeye, but I am collaborating with them and I am so excited for this opportunity. Okay, so how this started was that they contacted me through my email and had seen all my videos and such, and they really liked my content. So they went ahead and asked me if I wanted to try the Ttdeye color contacts, and I thought it was a scam, but you know what? I was researching a whole bunch of stuff and I was like,
come on, this is not real. Don't play with me, fool.
just kidding. So anyways, if you want to get in on the color contacts, make sure you use my code patricia 2020. Oh my god, I am so excited. Can we just open this right now because I'm like so freaking excited. Thank you so much, Ttdeye. I am so honored. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. What I see here is they gave me some of these, whatever these are, Mylar flakes. These are Mylar flakes, and I know what these are because I know you can use these in resins, you can use these in all types of mediums, like when you're doing acrylic nails and such. And these are the cutest colors ever. I love this. These are actually cute. You can use them in nails. You can use them, you can use this in polish. You can also use this in whatever it is you want to do with your life. All right, so these are going to be so cute. I have more. Ain't these adorable? These are unicorny. Oh my gosh. Hello, unicorn.
Hello.
These are the 4 different colored contacts that they sent me. We got ocean blue, ocean brown, ocean gray, ocean green. These are to keep your color contacts in here, and they sent me 4 of these, which makes sense because I have 4 pairs of eyeballs that I'm gonna go ahead and open up, and I'm so excited about. What is this? Ttdeye? Oh, this is so cute.
I love surprises.
Ain't that adorable? It's a hand mirror. Oh, Ttdeye, look at that. On the outside, it has their logo on there. Isn't that adorable? Look at the mirror. Ah.
Ooh, hello, Missy.
This is a tattoo, guys. A pretend tattoo that I can like play with. Ain't that cute? Oh, it's like tattoos of puppies. These are ocean blue. This is what it looks like in the packaging. So these are ocean blue. Here is the back of it, of what it looks like. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and put my hair back, and I will be back and show you the 4 different color contacts that I got, and I will put the name on there as I'm displaying them from my eyeballs to you guys, and I will tell you if they were comfortable, if I had any issues or anything like that. Wish me luck. Okay guys, I'm back. So when I tried the contact lenses, I did not have any issues with it. It was like second nature to me. I mean, it kind of did struggle a little bit, but it wasn't that hard to put them on. And the only thing that I would say is if you need a solution, or if you want to go the cheaper route, I would suggest for you to go with the Dollar General solution, and it actually comes in like 2 bottles, so there's 12 ounces each bottle, and it's a really good solution. Like I said, I did not have any issues with the contact lenses at all from Ttdeye. All the colors are so beautiful. So the colors of the ocean blue, the brown, the gray, and the green. So these are all the oceans of the ocean. I really did love the contacts, and if you guys want to get any of these contacts from Ttdeye, make sure you go to their website, www.ttdeye.com. Make sure you use my code patricia 2020 to save you a couple of bucks and such. And if you have any of these contact lenses, make sure you comment down below in the comments if you just finished watching this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up, because I like to do lots of videos, whether it's like, you know, fun or crazy, dirty, whatever it is, because, you know, I have a mind of my own, and my mind just kind of like goes out the window and such. But anyways, forgive me. All right, guys, and I will see you guys later. I love you guys. Bye bye.